There will be more long-term employees. There will never be another Ken. Ken is Ken.
Ready or not, ready or not.
I met Ken when I started at Awesome Powerboats. It was about the year 2000. Awesome was a pretty rude and crude place. You know, we built some kick-ass boats there. Ken kind of showed me the ways, worked in different areas of the boat. He was mainly in lamination.
Lamination is the most challenging position.
It's a tough job, man. It's not for everybody.
There's so many moving parts in the lamination area.
There's a lot of reward when you see the product come out of the mold, it's done, it's shiny. You know, then it's a big deal to go for a ride, you know. You're out there running the boat hard. This is why you laminated the stringers in like that. This is why that's important. This is why the bulkheads are right here, you know. Oh, I get it, man, I get it.
He had worked at other companies and stuff like that, and then when he came into Sunsation, I think he felt a little more maybe at home. Ken learned old school, but yet understood the evolution of technology with fiberglass at where it came to today, which is in 18 years, it's amazing the difference. The chemicals aren't even the same that we used back then.
He was definitely a great asset to Sunsation.
I can tell you story after story about him seeing things that weren't proper and just letting them happen.
Well, a couple times he said, yeah, I knew they were doing it wrong. I goes, oh, Ken, man, we gotta get a little handle on this, you know, a little ahead of time, buddy.
Something would go wrong and he'd see the guys not doing it and he would let them go. So I went up to him, I said, Ken, you knew that was happening. He said, yeah, but I won't let them get in too much trouble. But that's how you learn them. Let them make a mistake, let them do that. He said, but I got a blind eye on them. And I actually respected it after that.
Ken's been here for so long, I don't even know exactly when he started, to be totally honest with you.
He worked with me for 8 years. I think he worked here for 27, 25. He was here for 26 years.
Ken worked here for at least 18 years. That's basically my whole life.
There's quite a few people that have came through here and have gone since Ken has been here. But a majority of the people that are here right now have learned a lot from Ken.
They say over there that Ken has helped so many employees grow to become the laminators and the employees that they are today, just because of all the information he's been able to pass down to them.
One of Ken's major impacts on this company was helping to instill in new employees that were coming into the lamination department, instill into them the Sunsation way. We got a certain way that we like doing stuff. We're exceptionally good at it, been doing it for 40 years. And we like hiring people that did not have any other background in this field so that we could give them the Sunsation way, and he held true to it till the day he left.
What are we looking for is so crucial in a person, because we're not looking for skills. You know, maybe some positions, you know, we want them to have mechanical skills, but we can teach people almost anything.
Like, he's taught me everything I know about glass, which helped me get to the position I'm in. You just gotta carry on what he taught. If you could describe Ken in one word, what would it be?
He's inspirational. He's someone that I look up to. He's taught me many things starting here.
Since Ken's left, you can feel it. You can definitely feel it. There's the banter still there, but you know, I mean, we lost a part of that family. You know, someone who was here for 18 years. That's just incredible.
Well, we're here today to celebrate a man's lifetime career, retirement. Ken Oldenberg. He's a man that came to work every day, rode his iron horse in from afar, and was always a gentleman, willing to teach his skills. Hopefully he comes back and says hi once in a while, make sure we're on track. And I just wish him the best in the world. Congratulations, Ken. God bless.
The whole thing came off incredible. And I sat there and talked to Ken for a while we were eating, and he said, "You guys blew me away. I wasn't expecting all this. You didn't have to do it. You could have brought in pizza." I said, "Yeah, Ken, we could have. But how many boats did you build here in 18 years? And what have you done?" And I said, "The second to none. We wanted to be first class for you."
Yeah, Ken's party was great. He was definitely surprised when we pulled up to the door in a limo.
All right, Ken, your chariot's waiting you here for your retirement party at Sunsation.
Oh, coming in on a limo? Doesn't get any better than that, man. Yeah, he didn't want nothing to do with that, but man, when he got there, it was just good. He'll talk about that probably the rest of his life, you know? Yeah.
I knew he didn't expect that at all. He was a little bit hesitant to even come in there with us, but that's just Ken. Yeah, he's a pretty laid back guy, and like to see him up there giving a speech, I was kind of shocked a little bit because he usually doesn't like talking crowds.
This is a lovely lazy boy with a picture of Ken in it. So, you know what? I will just pass this around because it is really, hold on a second, we need to get this up. Yeah, no, not because you're a lazy boy.
No, because that's where you need to go after all the work you've done.
Exactly. And out of all sincerity, 18 years. So, Ken, what you're getting is a lazy boy.
There's a $1,000 gift card towards your lazy boy.
So, speech. Come on. Speech. Hey, shut up.
I want to thank everybody for this. I mean, I never expected nothing like this. I mean, I've been working since I was 18. Places that shut the doors, Wayne knows some of them. At least one. But yeah, I am very touched. I mean, you guys shouldn't have never did this. Because I'm sure there's going to be other people that's going to retire from here because this place is going. Wayne made it, Joel made it, Kyle's making it. Jeff. Bam. Everybody works in the office. I can't mention everybody. There's a lot of people that are doing great here. Enjoy your retirement. I'm trying to. But thank everybody.
The one thing that I would love to say to you, Ken, is just, my God, thank you and I love you.
I'm gonna miss you so much here. I appreciate all of your jokes that we have together. You've just always brightened everyone's day as you walk through the shop and made jokes and laughed with everybody. And it's gonna be different here without you.
Ken, I appreciate everything you've done for me throughout the years I've worked here. I hope you enjoy your retirement. Thank you.
Thanks, Ken, for everything you've taught me and helped me grow at the company. I will most definitely be teaching others what you've taught me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ken, for teaching me everything you've known. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I enjoyed every second of it.
Ken, thank you so much for everything you did for me. You were one of the only people here when I started that didn't treat me any different. The guys that have been here with you forever know how much that you did for us and for this whole entire company and this whole entire shop. And just thank you from the bottom of my heart, seriously.
Ken knows this is going to be weird, me talking to the camera too. Ken, thanks for sticking around so long. Just thanks for doing some work. Thanks for doing some work.